What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new update on Pepe. Was needed, we got a breakout, which in the end, it was expected. If you watch my videos, you would have seen this coming. In general, Pepe has gained a ton of momentum in the last couple of days actually, and we saw that yesterday as well. If you look at the open interest right here, and that's actually still the case right now. So Pepe, if you look at most meme coins, like Bonk has been quite strong as well. But if you look at the momentum, you can see that Pepe has gained momentum sustainably since Saturday evening. Super strong. What the situation yesterday was is that if you zoom out right here, is that we had a very strong trend line, and I'm not going to spend too much time on this. But we had a very strong trend line, which you can see was also respected. And then we also got a very strong bullish breakout above this level, around 6,400. So what we talked about is that, all right, well, now either the support level we broke above is going to fill, or the trend line is going to fill. And when you looked at the market, you could first of all see that Pepe was gaining a lot of momentum, most of which long positions, while at the same point of time, Bitcoin looked more bullish than bearish. So what we said is that, all right, well, when we're talking about a breakout, it seems most likely that we'll get that bullish breakout up to the previous main resistance level right here between 8,000 and 8,500. And that's where we are right now. And that's where we have to resume. Because what's happening right now, and we're going to delete this trend line because I don't think it's longer, well, it's still valid, but I don't think it's relevant anymore. Because what's happening right now is that we are technically stuck in the same consolidation right here as we were stuck in before. So in March, right here, this little range between 8,500 at the top and then 6,000 or 6,400 here at the bottom. And back then we were just bouncing up and down in this level. So there's multiple things we can take away from that. And the most important thing is that this level right here between 86 and 8,500 is very, very strong. So what you need to break above that is momentum, I would say. That's the most important thing, momentum. That's still bullish for Pepe. So I would say that the momentum, look, if you compare this momentum with the momentum we've had before, it's very low, all right? Right now we have about almost $300 million in open positions, and that used to be above 400. So the momentum is still relatively low, but it is going up and it is bullish. And then apart from that, what you also need is a relatively bullish Bitcoin, which is also, even though it's a little bit less strong than yesterday, it's still more bullish than bearish. So I would say that breaking above 8,500, it's possible. However, because it's such a strong resistance level and because the open interest has for the last couple of hours actually hasn't increased and it's not that high, I do think it's most likely that we'll get up there, but that we will not break above that. All right, and that it's more likely that we will actually get into a consolidation here. So drop back down to 7,000, maybe down to 6,500 and consolidate here. That's what I think is most likely. I think the only way we can actually break above 8,500, so get a massive bullish breakout above 8,500 to rally up to 10,000 again. I think the only way we can do that is if Bitcoin becomes very, very bullish. And I think it's possible that Bitcoin gets bullish again. And I think it's most likely that Bitcoin stays bullish. But I don't see Bitcoin becoming super bullish and rallying very hard and very high in the short term. So when that happens, Pepe will follow and Pepe will break out and be super strong. Until that happens, I think it's most likely that we'll find resistance here, top out and consolidate. And those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.